today is Sunday. Today is October 11, 2020. And we are going to Tabuelan. Marcelo Fernan Bridge. Yun, so nandito na tayo sa Tabok, Caltex Mandaue. And may mga nauna ng ACP. Ano pa lang yan, wala pa to sa 1/4. So sobrang dami pa mamaya. Tsaka sobrang dami na nang nauna dun sa Tabuelan dahil yung iba nag-overnight. What's up, Cebu? So we are here today in Liloan na tayo, guys. So pupunta tayo ngayon ng Tabuelan. Kasama natin yung mga taga ACP. So nauna tayo, no? Nandiyan sila sa likod kung nakikita nyo. So palabas na tayo ngayon ng Sogod. And nandito na tayo ngayon sa Bourbon. Maglo-left turn tayo dito papunta ng Tabuelan. Tapos doon natin malalaman ngayon, guys, kung kamusta na ba ang update sa Tabuelan, kung makakaano na ba tayo, makaka diretso or makakatawid ba tayo ng checkpoints nila.
This motovlog was made possible by Padhesive Philippines. They offer stickers, tarpaulin printing, and motorcycle decals. You can contact them at 032-236-4681 or visit their Facebook page by simply searching for Padhesive Philippines. They are located at SB Cabahog Street, Ibabaw, Mandaue City. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go back to our video.
Yun, so nandito na kami sa Tabuelan. Lapas de ita. Asa ba de? So this is the resort. This is located in Tabuelan. The resort has still no name dahil bago pa siya, but this is a private resort. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung dagat. Pero ito yung pagpasok mo, ito yung makikita mo sa resort. So dito yung canteen, yung restaurant, tapos may mga rooms, yung mga unfinished pa na mga rooms, tapos table and cottages, ayan. Tapos more parking for the motorcycles, area na part. Tapos pwede rin actually doon yung pinanggalingan natin, pwede din mag-park. Hello. Tapos ito na yung bandang ano, sa may dagat na part. So ayan. So ito na yung dagat. Mamaya lalapit tayo ng konti sa may dagat. Lapit tayo sa dagat. So ito yung part na pababa papunta ng dagat. So ito may stairs going to the beach. So dito yung beach area. Yan, so ito yung dagat, medyo mabato. Pero Ayan, maganda naman yung dagat. Malinaw ang tubig. Medyo mabato nga lang siya. But that's it. Okay lang naman. Kumbaga, ano siya. Alam mo kung hanggang saan kayo. Alam nyo kung hanggang saan yung limit nyo. Doon, hanggang doon lang. Tapos, ayan yung dagat.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 It's alright, so let's It's alright, so It's alright, so let's move on. It's alright, so let's move on.
Nag-change na ng motor. Hello.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. Hey. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 It's alright, so let's move on.
Game.
sobrang private lang nung resort talaga. Kunyari pupunta kayo dito, wala lang ibang tao kundi kayo lang talaga. Kaya it's fully packed by ACP. Yan, so lahat ng motor na nakikita nyo, yung iba NMAX, XMAX, MIUI 125 at of course Aerox, pero lahat yan ACP members. Ayan, so ito yung buong itsura ng lugar. Medyo na wrong timing lang kasi parang kakagaling lang yata ng ulan, so pagpunta namin dito medyo maputik. Kung makikita nyo yung yung semento, puro putik. Actually dun galing yan sa dinaanan namin dun, yung nakita nyo kanina nung pagpasok namin. So yun yung part na sobrang daming putik. So yung ibang mga new members nandito, so yung mga walang jersey. Tapos so yung mga jersey, yun yung mga dati ng member.
Jonski. Hi vlog, welcome to our guys.
So ayan, yung mga member ng ACP. So ganyan kadami ang member ng mga ACP, guys. And yes, ang ACP or Aerox Club Philippines Cebu chapter is open na pala, guys. So ACP or we are open now for different kinds of motorcycles. So kung ano yung mga motor mo, pwede ka nang sumali sa ACP. For example, NMAX yung motor mo, kahit XRM pa yan, kahit Wave pa yan, o kaya mga higher CC, mga big bikes, Mio, pwede kayong sumali sa Aerox Club Philippines Cebu chapter. So we are now offering membership para sa kahit hindi Aerox.
Atong balikod, sir. Kasi nag-record. Jonski. Naguna, Jonski. Balikod ako ha. Ma'am TC from Team Lapu-Lapu, Inasal Osa. Konsyal Errol from Team Iputrobo, Team Lapu-Osa. From Adam, Talia sa Pacific Ocean, Inasal Osa. Kahit, kumalabaw ang pag-inasaksi. Inasal Osa, Asa. Hoy, kahit! Hoy! Kahit, Inasal Osa. Cindy Ridhort, 5 kakahon. Hoy, Cindy. Engineer Cindy, construction owner. Busod sa Lipid, Danao Pohon. Iman, usa kay Dasal. 5 kay Dasal. For Christmas party o PCP, Pohon. Okay, amutan. Dahil ko, ito lagi for parlor games.
Ayun, so I hope nagustuhan nyo, nag-enjoy naman kayo sa video. So kung nagustuhan nyo yung video at kung gusto nyo masubaybayan yung grupo ng ACP, or kung gusto nyo masubaybayan yung mga vlogs, motovlogs, adventures natin, gusto nyo mga susunod na biyahe natin, subscribe lang kayo. Click nyo lang yung subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong video. Okay, so kita-kits. Salamat. Paalam.
My life depends on trying to figure a scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way. I think I figured that them figures out to get you. Let them pull the strings that trigger what you say. Think it's difficult to get out on my brain. I wish life wasn't any other way, but it's all side roads to nowhere, and I can find a map that seemed to mark my place. My heart frigid when it sit inside that cold air that exists between our lack of shit to say. But I always wanna spend my time with you, even when I'm whacking, got no change. You still sticking here with me, yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just wanted to say thank you, thank you. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm broke. Oh wait, shit, it's I've been stuck inside this pocket of death. Empty walls and stress. Gotta stop smoking this cess. I turn redundant. I'm a con, I'm ignoring myself. Can't stomach her dwelling. She steady telling me I'm the center of all my problems, but I can't complain, I ain't a man of my own. I'm 26 now home. I ain't grown, I've been wasting my look great, made me laugh when my Santa is blue. I was low pockets in these words I make. Yeah, I'm a scrub, but at least I got you. Yeah, at least I got you. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. I'm a scrub.